just use when x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, so when x is 0 here and y is 0 here, what will happen to this inequality? We are going to have 0 is less than or equal to 10. When y is 0 and x is 0, I'm going to have everything here as 0 is greater than or equal to 4. When y is 0 and x is 0, I'm going to have 0 is less than 5. Now let us see if these statements are valid. 0 is less than or equal to 10. This is actually a valid statement. So this inequality is valid. Let me tick it good. Please take note of that. I'm ticking this good because this statement is valid. Here, 0 is greater than or equal to 4. 0 cannot be greater than 4. So this statement is not valid. I'm ticking it bad. Here, 0 is less than 5. This statement is a valid statement. I tick it good. Now, take note that the ones I ticked good are the ones that are valid, okay? The ones I ticked bad are the ones that are not valid. Now let's go now. The next thing I'm going to do is to get the intercept of each of these inequalities. The intercept simply means where the line of the inequality crosses either the x-axis or the y-axis. So how do we go about that? The first thing to do is to change each of these inequality sign to equal to sign so that we'll have an equation. So I'm changing each of these inequality sign to equal to so that I will have an equation that will now help me to get the boundary line. So now, how do I get the boundary line, how do I get the intercept rather for each of them? So we start when x is 0. When x is equal to 0, y will become 10. And when y is 0, this x becomes 5. So my intercept for this inequality now is y is 10, x is 5, which means my line will pass through where x is 5, which is here, and where y is 10, which is here. So I'm going to draw a thick line to join those 2 points. Okay, so we do the same thing when x is 0. What will happen? When x is equal to 0, y becomes 2. When y is 0, x becomes 4.